Dear number crunchers, I'm trying to add and subtract fractions which have the same number at the bottom. I think it's called the denominator, but I'm not quite sure if I'm doing it right. Could you please help? Thanks. Josh from Birmingham. Okay, let's start with 1/5 plus 3/5. And let's draw a bar split into 5 equal pieces. Each one is worth a fifth. Let's colour in 1/5 and then let's also colour in 3/5. Altogether, you can see we have 4/5. So 1/5 plus 3/5 is equal to 4/5. Let's look at 3/8 plus 5/8. Let's draw a bar, but this time into 8 equal pieces, because each one is now worth an eighth. Let's colour in 3/8, and we're going to add 5/8, so let's colour in another 5/8. And altogether, we have 8/8. Another way you could write that is 1 whole. All of the parts are coloured in. Let's see what happens with subtraction. Let's do 5/6 subtract 2/6. So this time my bar is going to be 6 equal pieces. Each one is worth a sixth. Let's colour in 5/6 and let's take off 2/6 and I'll do 2 big crosses to get rid of those 2/6. And what are you left with? Well, you're left with 3/6. And some of you might also know that that's the same as a half, but don't worry if you're not so sure about that at the moment. So let's think about this. When you add two fractions with the same denominator, the denominators stay the same, and you just add the numerators. 1/5 plus 3/5 equals 4/5. 11/23 plus 5/23 looks a bit scary, but you just keep the denominator the same, 20/3, and you add the numerators, your answer is 16/23. And the same works for subtraction. You subtract the numerators, you keep the denominator the same. 21/25 subtract 3/25 equals 18/25. I hope that was helpful. Good luck.